Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe. This is the first video of our very first chapter, that is categories of computer and computer language. First is about categories of computer. A computer system consists of hardware and software. Hardware is nothing but a component you can touch and you can feel. Software is nothing but collection of data or programs. The development of computer can be classified on the basis of four major categories. First one based on generation, second one based on type, third one based on purpose, fourth one based on size. The first one based on generation. The term generation can be related to the word innovation. In every generation, computer technology becomes more advanced than the previous one. First type is first generation computers from the year 1940 to 1956. This generation was started with ENIAC, means electronic numerical integrator and calculator. It was the first fully electronic and general purpose computer. It was developed in USA and was built by using vacuum tubes technology. High-level language like Fortran is also developed in the first generation computer by IBM. This is a vacuum tube. Some of the features are: these computers were very large in size and occupied a lot of space. Vacuum tubes were the main electronic components used in these computers. These computers were based on machine level and assembly level language. Some of the limitations are: these computers were difficult to operate. They needed heavy air conditioned system because of lot amount of heat generated by the vacuum tubes. These computers also consumed huge quantity of power. Second one is second generation computers from the year 1956 to 1963. Transistors as main electronic components. These computers become smaller in size, faster and more reliable. The speed of the computers increased from milliseconds to microseconds. Language like COBOL and BASIC are also developed. COBOL means Common Business Oriented Language and BASIC means Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Some of the examples are UNIVAC and Leo. UNIVAC means Universal Automatic Computer and Leo means Lyons Electronic Office. Some of the features are: second generation computers were smaller in size and they used transistor as main components. Speed is increased from milliseconds to microseconds. This is the component used in second generation computer, that is transistor. Next is third generation computers from the year 1964 to 1971. ICs were used as electronic components. IC means integrated circuit. An integrated circuit is a compact electronic circuit containing hundreds of transistors and other components that are packed on a thin piece of semiconductor material. This generation of computer led to the invention of the mainframe computers. Some of the examples are IBM 360 and Honeywell 200. Features are: the use of IC technology reduced the size of this computer. These computers could do fast calculation, that is nanoseconds. Their capacity to hold data and information was more due to improved secondary storage devices. This is the component used in third generation computer, that is IC chip. Fourth generation computers from the year 1971 to 1985. Microprocessors were used as electronic components. IC core series means this is one kind of microprocessor by Intel Corporation in USA. Intel Core i7 is used as a processor in desktop and laptop. Some of the PCs like Lenovo, Dell, HP and HCL were developed under 4th generation computers. Languages like SQL, C, C++, Java, etc. were developed in this generation. Some examples of computers of the 4th generation are Apple I, IBM 370 and Honeywell 6080. Some of the features are used for means these 4th generation computers are used for general purpose and commercial application. Storage capacity increased up to several terabytes to even petabytes. This is microprocessor. Last generation is 5th generation computers means present and future. A computer doesn't possess intelligence. However, scientists are working to produce intelligence computer that can make the decision on their own. Introduce IQ in computer so that they can think and behave like humans. Means that is artificial intelligence. Computers behave like an expert and interact with human beings. Next is about based on type. Computers can also be classified according to how they manage data. They can be classified into 3 main categories. They are analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. First one is about analog computer. Analog computers work on varying physical quantities. The data input to a computer is continuous in nature and the result is obtained after comparison. Example, meter scale, thermometer, speedometer, etc. Second type is digital computers. Digital computer accept data in binary form means zeros and ones. 0 means off low signal, 1 means on high signal. Result in terms of digits. All personal computers and laptops are digital in nature. Calculator, digital watch and digital cricket scoreboards are examples for digital computers. Last one is about hybrid computers. It has combined features of both analog and digital computers. The result can be compared with known value. Example, digital watch including both the features. You can see that in that example you can see the analog value also and the digital value also. Thank you. Have a nice day.